Hey guys, welcome back to Heavenly Goodies. I'm back with yet another stunning dish. Before we get into the details, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit that bell icon for updates. Right, so today's dish is an incredibly popular one, especially among us Anglo-Indians. It's basically snake gourd stuffed with spiced minced meat, cooked in a delicious concoction of spices and herbs. Let's check out what we need for this recipe. So firstly, let's see what we need for our stuffing. So that's roughly about 4 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, and small green chilies chopped. Then we'll need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a few sprigs of chopped coriander leaves, and finally some salt to taste. Now for the meat, you can use any ground meat, either mutton or beef. So I've taken 500 grams of meat here. So this is going to be our star ingredient here. This is the snake gourd that's cut into 3 to 4 inch pieces. Now for our gravy, we need 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. Then we'll need 1 large onion chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's prepare the stuffing first. In a bowl, add the meat and dip in the onions, the green chilies, your chopped garlic, and the ginger. And now for the spice powders. And the coriander leaves. Now mix and mix. Now I'm going to leave this in the refrigerator whilst I prepare the gravy. Let's begin by heating some oil in the pan. Dip in the onions and saute till nicely browned. Now add your ginger garlic paste and saute well. Now let's reduce the heat to add our spice powders. It's very important to reduce the heat before you add in any spice powders, or you might end up burning it. As I've said in my other videos, it's important to broil your coriander powder first before adding any of the other masalas, and this will make the gravy more aromatic and more flavorful. Let's go ahead and add the remainder of our spice powders, which is the turmeric, chili powder, and the garam masala. And saute this for about 10 to 15 seconds on low heat. And once that is done, add in your chopped tomatoes and saute till nicely mushy. Now it's time to add the salt, about 1 teaspoon. After the tomatoes have softened, add 1 cup of water and let it simmer. Meanwhile, let's get on with our stuffing. Let's just take the snake gourd bit and stuff it like so. Now do not pack it on too tightly or else it might break apart while cooking. Once the gravy has come to a full boil, drop in your stuffed snake gourd bits and cover the lid and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Occasionally flip the snake gourd bits so that it will cook evenly. There's quite an aroma around this kitchen. It smells great around here. I think now our dish is done. We can just garnish it with a few green coriander leaves. I'm adding just a few drops of lemon juice. This is optional. You can use lime juice if you want or vinegar. This just gives an extra zing to the curry. Let's plate this up now. This dish is quite similar to the Anglo-Indian meatball curry recipe which I had shown in my previous video. That there is my daughter's hand. She's up to her old antiques. She's just probably wondering what mummy's made today. Thanks for watching and hope you liked the video. Do share, like and comment.